So, hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So, in this problem it is given that in figure AB is equal to 16 centimeter, AC is equal to 14 centimeter and BC is equal to 10 centimeter and AM is equal to the CM and CN is equal to the BN. So, AB this is 16 centimeter is given, AC which is this it is given 14 centimeter and BC it is this it is given 10 centimeter, and in the problem it is given that AM is equal to the CM and CN is equal to the BN. So we have to find the area of the quadrilateral, like this blue region. What is the area of the this quadrilateral? We have to find out. So first to try to solve this, then we will solve. So let's start. So look at this figure. So first of all, let's assume BC is equal to the A, like BC is this side which is equal to the A, I am assuming. AC is equal to the B and AB is equal to the C. So this is A, I am assuming, AC this is B, I am assuming, and AB this is C, I am assuming. And we calculate the quantity S which is equal to the A plus B plus C by 2 for the triangle. And in the problem the values are given like 16, 14 and 10. So we will do 16 plus 14 plus 10 divided by 2. So from here we get S is equal to 20. So from here we get S is equal to 20. Now we know Heron's formula. From Heron's formula we can write like del square is equal to S times S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So you know the value of A, B and C and S. So you can put values like S value is 20. So 20 minus A which is this side, B which is this and C which is this. So BC in the problem it is given 10. So 20 minus 10 as again B which is this AC side, in the problem it is 14 and 20 minus 16. So you can calculate this. So after calculating this will come like del value is 40 root 3 centimeter square. So we get S is equal to 20 and the area of the whole triangle is 40 root 3 centimeter square. Now we know the area of the whole triangle. Now let's look at the triangle ABN and triangle ACN. So like in the problem it is given that AM is equal to the CM and CN is equal to the BN. So CN is equal to the BN. In the problem it is given and this whole is 10. So this will become 5 and this will become 5 because both are equal. And in these triangles like ABN and ACN, so ABN and ACN, in this is common. This is common. So this is common, which is the we can assume height of the triangles are same, and this 5 is also equal to this 5. So we can say that the area of the both triangles are equal. So area of this triangle whole is equal to the area of this triangle, and uh, how much, and these two will combine, it is equal to the total area of the triangle ABC. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to the area of the triangle ABN plus the area of the triangle ACN, and these two are also equal. So individually it will become like area of the triangle ABN is equal to the area of the triangle ACN is equal to the 40 root 3 divided by 2. This is the area of the whole triangle. So it will become 20 root 3. So we get the area of the triangle ABN is equal to 20 root 3 centimeter square. Now you look at the triangle AOB and triangle BON. Like in the problem it is given that this is equal to this. So which means it is median. And in the case of median, we know that, and in the problem also it is given that this is also equal to this. So this BM is also a median. So both AN and both BN are median, and these are intersecting at the point O. So we know that this divide this whole thing AN in 2:1, like this 2:1. We know from the median property. So this is 2:1. Now look at the triangle AOB and BON. So this height is same in both triangle, and this thing is in 2:1. So the area of these two triangles are also in 2:1. So we can say that the area of the triangle AOB and area of the triangle BON are in 2:1. And we know the area of this hole. We calculated previously, it is 20√3. So 20√3 is equal to the area of the triangle AOB plus area of the triangle BON. And instead of AOB, we can write 2 times BON. So here the area of the triangle BON, which is come 20/√3. And area of the triangle AOB is 2 times of this, which is 40/√3. So this we get. Now you look the triangle AOB and triangle AOM. So triangle AOB and triangle AOM. So now BM is also a median. So this is also in 2:1 and this side is common. So these area ratio is 2:1. So area of the triangle AOB, so area to the area of the triangle AOM, these are in 2:1. We also know this, and we also know that this whole area and this whole area are equal because this height is common and this side is same. So these two areas are equal. So total we get the 40√3. So divided by 2. So this will become 20√3. And 20√3 we can write is equal to the area of the triangle AOB plus area of the triangle AOM. And instead of area of the triangle AOB, we can write area of the triangle 2 times area of the triangle AOM. So it will become area of the triangle AOM is 20/√3. So from here we get this. Now we know that this area of the triangle is 20/√3. This is also 20/√3 and this is 40/√3, and the whole triangle area we know 40√3. So we can subtract this part and this part, and we can get the value of this part. So area of the so we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. So area of the quadrilateral is 40√3 minus 20/√3 minus 20/√3 minus 40/√3. So this is. So finally when you calculate this, it will become like 40/√3. So this is the final answer to this area. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.